right, boys and girls, so here is your review for warm-up number 12. You had to find a number that could go in the blank to make the statement true. So you're given several examples to take a look at in order to find the biggest number. So let's look at your answer choices. You could choose from 12,000, 12,525, 12,500, 12,623, or 13,000. All right, so you had to pay close attention to the fact that these were greater than signs in between each one of these numbers. So you're really saying that this number, 12,526, is bigger than the next number, and that this number should be greater than the next number in the sequence, 12,524. Well, if you notice, if this is 526 and this is 524, the only number that would fit in between those two numbers are 525, which should have been your answer. Number 2, what is the value of that 4? You had the choices 4, 40, 400, 4,000, 40,000, or 400,000, or 4 million. Well, we count over ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So that 4 was worth 4,000. Number 3, what's the largest number that was an answer choice that you could round to 965,000? So the first answer choice was 950,000, which I cannot round to 965,000, so you should have eliminated. The next one was 965,999. So if I wanted to round that to the nearest thousands place, well, my rule tells me the number next door actually tells me to go up to the next thousand. So this number would round to 966,000, which is still not the answer I'm looking for because I'm looking for 965,000. So you should have been able to eliminate B. C was 965,499. Underlining the thousands place, looking next door, that number is 4 or less. So that says that that thousand's going to rest. Everything in front stays the same. So when I round this number, it does round to 965,000. And then your last answer choice was 9,000, which isn't even close to 965,000. So you should have chosen C, 965,499. All right. The next question says, what is 48 divided by 8? So you're thinking about your fact family. Think about what times 8 gives you 48. If your multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. How many 8s give you 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8s give you 48. Should have been your answer. The other one you had to answer was 12 divided by 2. Well, how many 2s give you 12? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2 give you 12. So 12 divided into 2 groups is 6 in each group. Your last question was number 6, where you had to take 623,258 and add 52,589 to that number and find the actual sum. So remember, we want to make sure our place values are lined up when we're adding. So we're going to make sure all those ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s are lined up before we start to add. And when we add, we're going to have to regroup when we make groups of 10, okay? So 8 plus 9 is 17. So I'm going to put my 7 in the ones place, and I'm going to carry that extra 1 over to the tens place because I've created another 10. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus the 1 you carried would make 14. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the 1 you carried makes 9. 8, sorry. 8 hundredths. 3 plus 2 is 5 in the thousands place. 5 plus 2 is 7 in the 10,000s place. And then there is no number right here in the 100,000s place. So we're going to replace that with a 0 to hold the place. 6 plus 0 really gives me 6. So your answer should have been 675,847 for number 6.